as man's ingratitude. Thy tooth is not so keen, because thou art not seen, although thy breath be rude. Hi-ho, sing, hi-ho, unto the green holly. Most friendship is feigning, most loving mere folly. Then I-ho, the holly, this life is most jolly. Freeze, freeze, thou bitter sky, that dost not bite so nigh. As benefits forgot, though thou the waters walk, thy sting is not so sharp. As friend, remember not. Hi-ho, sing, hi-ho, unto the green